Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to JB Chem tutorial. Today we are going to learn about Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. So what is condensation? Condensation nothing but combining to each other. Combining to each other. So what is Aldol condensation? So it is a condensation reaction. Condensation between two carbonyl compounds. Two carbonyl compounds. Two carbonyl compounds. It may be aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone. Between two carbonyl compounds having either maybe have at least one alpha hydrogen atom. At least one alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of alkali, especially in the form of presence of the sodium hydroxide. Alkali gives aldol. So what is aldol? Means this beta hydroxy aldehyde or ketone. So this is called as aldol as product. It is called as aldol condensation. So it is a condensation between two carbonyl compounds. Either may be aldehydes, either may be ketones. Have at least one alpha hydrogen in the presence of the alkali gives aldol. That is a beta hydroxy aldehyde or ketone is called as a aldol condensation. For example, we'll see the R C double bond O CH3. So it may be either it is called as a carbonyl compound. If R equals to H, it is called as a aldehyde. And R equals to alkyl group. It is called as a ketone, which are reacting with each other. It means C double bond O CH3. So two molecules in the presence of this sodium hydroxide, which will be formed. So this linkage between this bond will be linked between this one, and it will be forms R C double bond O CH2. There may be CH2 and COH and CH3 R group will be here. So this is called as a alpha hydrogen. This is an alpha carbon atom, and this is called as beta carbon atom. So this is the beta hydroxy aldehyde or ketone. This is the product. So this is the reaction involved in the Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation reaction. So we'll see the mechanism. What is the mechanism involved in it? So we'll see the mechanism. We'll see the mechanism involved in it. So put the mechanism. Mechanism. So this Aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. So what is the first thing? R C double bond O C H 3. So I am writing for my convenient. I am writing this CH2 as CH2 and CH3 as a CH2S. So it will be proceed in the presence of hydroxide. There will be sodium hydroxide, alkalina. So this hydroxide which will be NaOH dissociate into Na plus and OH minus. OH minus. So the OH minus which will be capture this proton. Capture the proton and eliminate as a water molecule. And it will be converted into RC double bond O CH2 minus. CH2 minus, and this charge will be shifted to this one, and when it will be shifted to this one, and it will be interconverted into RCO minus and double bond CH2. This is called as a enolate ion. Enolate ion. So this enolate ion, so this is the interconvertible to each other. Interconvertible to each other, and this carbon ion which is called as a enolate ion. So this enolate ion will reacts with another mole of the carbonyl compound. Another mole of the carbonyl compound will see C double bond O I R group over here and CH3. I am writing this one. So due to the electronegativity, these electrons are shifted towards this oxygen atom. Then this oxygen gets a partial negative charge and carbon gets a partial positive charge. Then this negative charge is there. This negative charge will be attacks this partial positive charge, and it will becomes like this: R C double bond O CH2 and O minus and CH3 R group over here. R group over here. This is a condensed product. So then this product which will be capture the hydrogen from the water molecule. Captures this hydrogen from the water molecule. Water will be dissociate into H plus ion and plus OH minus ion. Then this H plus will be captured by this oxygen, negative charge containing oxygen, and it will be converted into the product R C double bond O CH2 and COH R and CH3. That is the beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone as a product. Then this Na plus and OH minus, which will be combines to each other, forms NaOH, and it will be complete the reaction of product formation. So this is the reaction and mechanism involved in the Aldol condensation reaction. Then we will go for applications of the Aldol condensation reactions, and what are the uses of this Aldol condensation reaction. So applications of the Aldol condensation reaction. So this Aldol condensation reaction. So applications. First one is a preparation of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So means 2 moles of the aldol, C double bond O CH3, 2 moles of this aldol in the presence of NaOH, and it form R C double bond O CH2 COH and CH3R, aldol as a product. So this aldol undergo dehydration. For my convenient, I am writing like this: hydrogen. So for this undergo dehydration. So undergo dehydration and elimination of the water molecule in the presence of the dilute acids, and it will be forms alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes as a product. Second one is a preparation of, either maybe synthesis of alpha beta unsaturated alcohols. It means aldol is the product now. This R C double bond O CH COH or CH3. This is the aldol. Aldol is the product. Then this aldol undergo dehydration. This in the presence of dilute acid, it will be forms alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone as a product. So this one which will be undergoes dehydration and it will be forms this product alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde as a product. So this alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes are ketones in the presence of the lithium aluminium hydrate, and this carbonyl group will be reduced into alcohol group and it will be converted into are converted into alcohols. Which alcohols? Unsaturated alcohols. So it is used in the synthesis of unsaturated alcohols. Then coming to synthesis of either maybe preparation of long chain alcohols. long chain alcohols long chain alcohols. So same. So these are the product. The aldol is the product. Alpha beta unsaturated aldol. Either maybe aldehyde is the product. Then this alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone undergoes reduction in the presence of the palladium and hydrogen other may palladium and nickel. In the presence of the hydrogenation reaction will be occur, and it will be converted into ROH and H and CH2 CH3R. So they are converted into alcohols. These are the saturated alcohols. Saturated alcohols will be formed when it will be undergo reduction in the presence of the palladium or nickel. In the presence of the hydrogen. So the Aldol condensation reaction is used to prepare the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. And in the synthesis of the alpha beta unsaturated alcohols and alpha beta unsaturated alcohols and long chain saturated alcohols. So this is the reaction and mechanism applications involved in the Aldol condensation reaction. If you like my videos, please like it. If you want to get a notification about my videos, please subscribe my channel JB Chem Tutorial. Then if you want explanation about any topic, please comment the topic name in the comment section. Thank you so much one and all. Thank you so much.